In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of integrating your Seller Snap account with Sellercloud, allowing you to automate your pricing strategies and maximize your profits on Amazon. Let's get started. The first step is to create FTP credentials in your Seller Snap account. The next step is to create a template for the integration. Let's go through the process together. Open a new Excel or Google Sheets file. In the first row, enter SKU under column A. In the first row under column B, enter cost. Save the file as a CSV file. You can add additional export column names for the mapping, such as ASIN. To add others, contact Sellersnap for more info. Now, let's move on to setting up the integration in Sellercloud. You'll need to create a mapping profile. First, click on the Settings tab in your Sellercloud dashboard. Under the Settings menu, select Mapping Tools and then click on Manage Export Mapping Profiles. In the Export Mapping Profiles page, click on the Actions icon at the bottom right corner and select Create. Enter the following values. Profile name, Sellersnap. Profile type, product. Export file type, CSV. Check the box Export file with headers and click the paperclip icon to attach the flat file you created earlier. Click Add to save the mapping profile. Within the Sellersnap mapping profile you just created, click on Edit at the top right of the column mapping panel. For the SKU field, under Sellercloud field, enter BVC_product ID. For the cost, under Sellercloud field, enter one of the following options based on your preference. BVC_product average cost. Average cost is the cost of the units continually averaged from the price on POs at the time of receipt. BVC_product last cost. Cost of the items in the last received purchase order. BVC_product site cost. The current value in the product summary site cost field. If you have added additional columns in your CSV files, you need to select the additional mapped fields. Click Save to save the column mappings. Now that the mapping profile is set up, let's move on to creating a saved search targeting products posted and active on Amazon. In your Sellercloud dashboard, navigate to the Catalog tab and select Manage Catalog. Click on Add Filter and add the Amazon Statuses filter. Under the Amazon Statuses filter, select Posted and Active. Note that you can apply additional filters based on your preferences. Click on the arrow icon next to Save View and select Save View As. Enter a name for your saved search and save it. We're almost there. The final step is to automate the product export process from Sellercloud to Sellersnap. Navigate to the Settings tab in your Sellercloud dashboard. Under the Settings menu, select Scheduled Tasks and then click on Manage Scheduled Tasks. Click on the green plus icon to create a new scheduled task. Select Export Products as the task type and set the task name as Sellersnap Repricer Feed. Choose the appropriate company from the drop-down menu. Select the desired start time for the scheduled task. Click Create to create the task. Now, let's configure the details of the scheduled task. After creating the task, a message will appear at the bottom of your screen. Click on the provided link to configure the task details. On the task details page, click Edit. In the Details section, we'll specify the necessary information for the scheduled task. Select your user ID from the User ID menu. Choose the saved search you created earlier from the Saved Search menu. From the Export Via menu, select the mapping profile you created named Export Mapping Profile, Sellersnap. Set the file name according to your preference. You can use placeholders such as queued job ID to populate the file name with the queued job ID, or year, month, day, hour, minutes to use the file creation date. In the Export Options section, set Export to as FTP. Enter the FTP credentials you generated from Sellersnap in the corresponding fields. Ensure that the Remote Folder field contains the correct information. Make sure the Use Secure FTP checkbox is checked and set the Secure FTP type to Explicit FTP over TLS. You can click the Test FTP icon to test the connection. In the Frequency section, specify the desired task frequency. We recommend selecting a range between 30 minutes and 1 hour for optimal performance. In the General section, click the Enable button. Finally, click Save at the top right to save the task details. And that's it. You have successfully integrated your Sellersnap account with Sellercloud. Now, Sellersnap will receive data from Sellercloud via FTP, allowing you to automate your repricing strategies and stay ahead of the competition on Amazon.